Meaning of distance learning.
Distance learning.
Distance learning.
Distance learning.
Distance learning. Distance learning refers to a form of education where students and instructors communicate and learn remotely, without physically being in the same location. This is typically done through online platforms, virtual classrooms, or by using other forms of technology to facilitate communication and collaboration. The benefits of distance learning include increased flexibility for students to learn at their own pace and from anywhere in the world, lower costs due to the elimination of travel and housing expenses, and the ability to reach a wider audience. These factors make distance learning a popular option for many students and institutions.